How to verify your Bitget account. If you want to verify your Bitget account, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply open your browser and go to bitget.com. When you go to bitget.com, you want to make sure to log into your account. So click the profile icon from the top right hand side, then simply click on your profile name right over here, or you can click on this unverified option right here. When you click on this unverified link, it will take you to this particular page. So just wait until this page actually loads up. Once you're here, you can see this option called identity verification. It will take you to individual verification option here. So here are some requirements. You'll need to have a government issued document, a face recognition verification, and estimated review time of 60 minutes. So you can just click on the verify option right here, and you simply have to select your country of residence. You select your issuing country or region where your, let's say, document was registered. You can select what type of ID you have. Click on the PC verification or mobile verification, whichever you prefer. You can use mobile verification because it will also ask you for a face verification later. So select your country of residence. You can select that and just click on the continue button right there, and you just have to fill out a certain form. And once you fill out the certain form, you'll be able to go ahead and basically able to allow the webcam permission and verify the face ID and the document to verify your account. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.